Hello again, everyone. Okay, so today is a good day for me. I got a couple packages in I've been waiting for. And this package here, actually, a lot of my fellow YouTubers probably been waiting for me to get. And this is just another set of tools that I needed for myself anyway. This package I ordered from Sparrows, and this one came from the Lockpick Shop. Let's start with this one first. This one here, like I said, I believe a lot of my fellow YouTubers have been waiting for me to get this package, and so have I. So let's open this one. Alright. And I ordered quite a few things from Sparrows. Alright, let's see what we got here. First off, the tweezers. Everybody needs a good set of tweezers, and I've been stumbling around with mine, and now I have me a nice set of tweezers. I'm trying to get this in focus a little bit. Alright, so it's not focusing. But anyways, there's my first set of really decent tweezers from Sparrows. Alright, number two, Bosnian Bill just showed this follower, this resin follower. I guess this is the most common size, and this one here has a special tool on the end to open up those locks with that, with that weird end on it. So, we got that. We have the tweezers. And we have the plug followers. This is what I've really been waiting for. I've been doing a lot of fumbling around with my guttings, so hopefully this is going to help me out a lot. So we got a nice set of followers here. And to go with that, we have the shims. I got me a pack of shims. Okay, and for tension wrenches, I got, this is the Mantis for opening up tubular locks. I couldn't find a larger one. This was the only one I guess Sparrows had. But I needed one. I have one lock I would like to pick, a bike lock on camera. So we have now one of these. Okay, let's move on to the picks. First off, I got the Octo. I really like this pick because it has an awesome engraving on it. An octopus. Pretty badass. It's kind of like, I guess they call that a worm rake. It's not, so sharp and sharp edges on the top. I'm going to give this one a try. Alright, next we have a few more picks here that I ordered. I believe these are all in 20 thousandths. Yeah. So what I got here is I got me the short hook. I got me another steep hook. I got me another triple peak. This one's in 20 thousandths. The last one I got in 15, and that was from Peterson. I used it a couple times and it broke. So I got me a new bow tie. And last but not least, this, I think they call this Italia. I-T-T-I-L-A. It's kind of like an offset diamond. It's not quite a diamond, but this should be a really nice pick. Alright, so that's my package from Sparrows. A lot of great tools here. Can't wait to start using them. Alright, now this package here is something I've been wanting to order for a while. I went online. I've been looking at a lot of websites. And, well, let me just show you what's in here. Oh, I hate these messy packages. Alright. If I can get this out of here without making a total mess out of my desk here. Alright. So, what we have here is the Salford PXD 15. This is my first dimple pick set. Now, like I said, I went online. I went to Multi-Picks. They had a really nice dimple pick set, but the set was only $50, and they were going to charge me $40 shipping. So I kind of put a hold on that deal. I texted with them back and forth a little bit, or emailed with them, and they worked with me a little bit. They bring it from $40 US down to 30, but after that, I started emailing back and forth with Bosnian Bill on if he could find me a decent set, in the States that are going to cost me $1,000,000 shipping. And he said there was really no good dimple pick sets out there. So I went on Southward again, and I actually found this one. And I emailed him again. He said it's a pretty decent set. So I took my chances, and this is the one I got. So now we have a new dimple pick set. Let me open this up real quick. Yeah, I got a dimple pick set finally. A couple of nice tension wrenches, just a Z wrench, and actually both of these I have. And here we go. Got another serious tension wrench that came with this one. Nice little handle here for locking the picks in. Yeah, let me throw one in there real quick. Give you a couple of little of these finger ones too. A couple of, well, that one's a nice, it's a flag. This one, yeah, it's a flag, but it has a really sharp hook on it. Okay, but anyways, let me just throw one of these in here real quick. Oh, we got another one too. Double-sided flag, curved. And I believe we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 picks. Alright, let's throw one of these in here real quick, see how nice and tight they get. Okay. There's a little bit of play in there. Not too bad. Alright, we might be able to get into some dimple locks now. Alright guys, that was just a little something I wanted to share with you. So, that's it. Awesome, I'm so glad I got this stuff. I have a couple nice packages coming in, maybe tomorrow or Friday, so I'll have a few more locks to pick. I have one coming in from Trekmaster30. If you haven't seen his channel, you should really check it out. He makes some great locks. I mean, like second to none. This guy is awesome making locks. I have another package coming in from Steel Pinnings. Should have the pinning packs that are going to go with a couple of cylinders that I made for some giveaways, to the beginners. So we got that package coming. Can't wait for that too. Alright guys, that's it. So, if you like this video, please subscribe. And for everyone else, if you don't have the permission from the owner, don't open it. Thanks guys. Bye.